Next, accounts. Some reason is there and to ask the so accounts and just listen, very important point here. See what Oracle saying, what global accounting say, commerce people, non-commerce people, just remember. We have the types, assets, liabilities, like capital accounts, revenues, expenses. Right? Note how many account types in Oracle. How many account types in Oracle? First one, A, assets, liabilities, capital, revenues, expenses. How many account types in Oracle, or how many account types in commerce? Right. Now, so I will give the simple example. If you remember from agriculture family, we have the logically land, premises, we have the belongings like gold and silver, and fourth one, we will have the nowadays computer or something. But when your father is trying to explain how many assets are there, he is trying to communicate you. Okay, in Telugu we can say, మనం అంటాం కదండి, కాలువ పక్కన పొలము, ఊరు పొలమెర పొలము, టెంపుల్ బ్యాక్ సైడ్ పొలము, చెరువు పక్కన పొలము, ఎవ్రీవేర్ you are recognizing the your asset with simplified name. Am I right or wrong? Okay, Hindi I may not able to explain. If some like sometimes our father will say, we have the land in Hyderabad, like Kukatpalli or Banjara Hills, we may not have, and Banjara Hills, Jubilee Hills, that is not example for us. Okay, like Bachpalli. Bachpalli nowadays, Patan Cheruvu, Shamshabad or some other area. Then everywhere you are recognizing the your assets with particular name, like even gold also, rings or chain or some other name. Same way, what Oracle say, use the asset as a 1 number, liability as a 2 number, capital as a 3 number, revenue as a 4 number, starting number, number. So number, right? So next one, what is the size we given? What is the size we given values?
5.
Yes, sir. 1 to 1000.
5. So now client will ask us, I want to start with 10,000. I want to start with 20,000. I want to start with 30,000. I want to start with 40,000. That range of values I want to use to recognize the easy. Clear?
Yes.
No anamakandi babu. You are giving a simple numbering model and for each account. Okay. Now client will say 10,001. I want to use the computers. numbering. Numbering 10,000, it is not amount. Tools.
It means up to 19,999 you can use the
For like furniture. So I am eligible to use the expenses assets range 10,000 to 19,099. In future, whenever I am creating the any asset, whenever I am buying the asset for my organization purpose, I want to see my numbering falling under this range.
Sir, in future, can end user can create these values?
Yes, Sunday. Client side key user will create it.
Okay.
Clear? Now, client will ask us 20,001 as a bank loan. 20,000 is the vendor's liability. Here 11,000 we will use the cash. 30,000 capital accounts. 40,001 we can give the sales, cement bag sale, cement brick sale. 40,000 sales and service revenue. 50,000 we can expect more values. 50,001 50,002 salaries, office salaries. 50,003 maintenance. 50,004 electricity bills. 50,005 transportation charges. Clear? So this is the way we need to follow. This is a global accounting, not our O3 institute, not a particular Bhavya Cement company. This is the logic we need to follow.
Sir, capital account 30,001, no, 33,100.
Any logic is there, right? Logic is there. More clients will use that number per capital accounts.
Can you tell me what is the capital account means?
Initial investment. Initial, that Bhavya company might have invested, right? 10 lakh or 20 lakh, 30 lakh amount, something that we can call.
Can you give some other examples in there?
Only one example and
Only single value is there in that?
yes.
Suppose the capital invested by A, B, C. So how can we take it, sir?
You can take 3 accounts.
That can applicable for liabilities under bank loan as well, right, sir?
Yes.
Like HDFC, some other bank.
Yes. Suppose if you don't follow this, like accounting, like example, in future, you have entered the wrong journal entry. You may not identify what is the account type you selected wrongly. That is the reason global accounting system requesting to use this model. Clear or any doubts?
No, 9 types will come, like, can you explain 9 types, which and all?
9 types, sir. Where is the 9 type?
This liability, capital, revenue, these types.
5 types, not 9, 5.
Only 5, okay.
Narasimha sir.
I think is it mandatory to owe 10,000, 20,000?
No, no, ma'am. 1 is the preferable number.
Narasimha sir.
You taken the 5 size. I am trying to make you 10,000 as a 5 character, 5 numbering.
Okay.
If you give the 6, 1 lakh. If you give the 4, 1,000.
Then we can take 00001.
But that is not easy recognition model.
Okay.
So why we take the cash sir? 110000.
Sorry?
That's about cash. You have to take 10,005. Why not?
You can give 10,005. Real time, many clients will use 11,000 as a cash number to recognize easily.
Narasimha sir.
Yeah.
సార్ ఇప్పుడు మనం ఇన్ కేస్ మన రియల్ టైమ్ లో అసెట్స్ చేసినప్పుడు వరాకల్ చెప్పినట్టు 1 కన్ఫర్మ్ అవుతుంది ప్లస్ 5 ఇచ్చాం కాబట్టి ఆ ప్రాసెస్ వస్తుంది. బట్ కంప్యూటర్స్ కి 10001 అనేది కంపల్సరీగా ఇవ్వాలా సార్?
That will be differentiated.
ఓకే.
But
బట్ ఆ 1
logic we need to understand.
yes sir. ఆ 1 తో స్టార్ట్ అయ్యి 5 లాజిక్ మట్టు మ్యాండేటరీ. ఓకే సార్.
1 logic is mandatory. Remaining sequence will be followed by client to client.
ఓకే సార్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
We need to discuss with the client and decide the value.
Yes, sir.
Narasimha sir,
Yep.
you said that some of these codes follows overall the universe, right? I mean capital account and assets like that. Is it there is shielded values in Oracle?
Oracle doesn't have any seeded. You can go and use it, whatever number you like it.
Okay, we should create all these, right? You're saying.
Yes.
Sir,
If
all the
client
companies
is not working, that's why we are not using this one in legacy.
sir,
We want to use the as it is in the legacy application, previous application. Then follow that one.
Sir, all these will be entered into general ledger, sir.
Yes, sir.
But
These numbers will be suitable for across the global.
yes, sir. But whether it is linked to only single company ledger or old ledger, sir.
Chart of account is global setup. That you will see tomorrow. Okay.
సార్ మనం సైజ్ లెవెల్ 5 ఇచ్చాం కదా, ఇప్పుడు అంటే 5 డిజిట్ లోపు కూడా మనం తీసుకోవచ్చు కదా, 1000 కానీ స్టార్ట్ చేసుకోవడం, లేదా 5 డిజిట్ కంపల్సరీగా ఉండాలా?
No. Yes, but always suggestible 5 numbering to recognize easy.
ఓకే సార్. అంటే 0 నుంచి స్టార్ట్ చేసి మనం అప్ టు 5999 వరకు తీసుకోవచ్చు, 5 డిజిట్స్ వరకు కదా సార్?
Okay. Sir, can you scroll down for expenses?
hello sir.
Yeah.
So this is Rajesh.
Yeah, please, Rajesh.
సార్ ఇప్పుడు డిప్లాయ్మెంట్ ఒకసారి చేస్తే సరిపోతుందా, ప్రతిసారి చేయాలా సార్?
No, one time is sufficient.
సార్ ఇప్పుడు ఒకసారి సక్సెస్ వచ్చింది అనుకోండి, మళ్ళీ మనం నెక్స్ట్ టైం ట్రై చేసినప్పుడు మళ్ళీ సక్సెస్ వస్తుందా, లైక్ ఎర్రర్ వస్తుందా, అంటే వేరే ఏదైనా ప్రాసెస్ లో ఉన్నప్పుడు?
No, it will not come the error.
ఓకే సార్. థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్.
Okay, next.
Sir, one example. If you see any other products which come between the year, example expenses. Okay, you did not enter transportation initially. After that, you found that there is transportation expense. How to enter that?
You can add the new segment value and enter the transaction. I will tell you one logic. Old model. Example, Avinash is the accounts manager. Based on his experience, he is using the code summary, old application. This example will make you more comfortable, more understandable. He given the 100 rent. 101 maintenance. 102 cash. 103 sales. 104 transportation. 105 service charges. 106 cash at bank. 107 vendor liability. 108
receivables.
bank charges. 109 customer balances. Example, this is the big. In future, one accountant entered the wrong entry. Example, 107 account 10,000 instead of 1 lakh. Can we able to recognize 107 number belongs to expenditure, revenues, liabilities? Will you able to identify as a accountant?
No.
Clear? This is the clumsy. So that is the reason, if you remember, even RTC, APSRTC, all 10 numbers belongs to High Tech City, Madhapur, something. All 9 number belongs to Kukatpalli, Jagadgir Gutta, KPHP, Miyapur. 113 belongs to Uppal area. Did you remember? Everywhere, some numbering will use recognition. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Right. I will tell you. 40 years back, example, I should not take this example, but it is understandable. One person got accident and passed away. How police people are identifying this guy belongs to particular area, particular village, particular something? How they are recognizing 40 years back?
We have dressing.
They checked to identity, like any
Identity means he is the Jagan or Chandrababu.
It's only 40 years ago.
At that time, there is no PAN card and what it is.
No. How they are recognizing?
If somebody knows
Dressing.
FIR.
Newspaper.
Newspaper is reading, man. Police, you are the police. How you are identifying?
ID cards.
they checked
Nothing is there in pocket.
FIR
Send
I will
this photo
tell
to nearest police station.
Sir, informal inquiry.
1 minute.
number, sir.
Vehicle number.
Vehicle number.
Then that belongs to AP07. A, Anantapuram 1. C, Chittoor 3. Okay. AP07 is Guntur. AP16 is Vijayawada. AP27 is Prakasam district.
20.
Right? Everywhere you can see that one. Bad luck. That number also not there. Then short level Tyler name. Did you remember?
Yes, sir.
Olden days, when you are taking the any shut in any village everywhere, you can see the Taylor name, right? Axe Taylor's Karampodi, some other Taylor's Guntur. Do you remember?
Yes, sir.
Everywhere, okay. In our family, why they are putting the Chana Subbara, Peda Subbara, Sena Venkat Reddy, Peda Venkat Reddy? They can use the Venkat Reddy one, right? So in our history, everywhere you can see Varshanamma, everywhere recognition. Why they are called Telloda, Nalloda, Erroda within the family, same faces comes. Why we are using the Ramudu, Bhimudu? Why if it is a twins in our family? Everywhere you are using the simplified model to recognize the person, to recognize the activity. I will remove this example only. Now understood? So we will always global level, everything you will be easily recognizing with the some examples, some base model that we can call recognizing model. Same way accounting system also designed with numbering. Olden days, 40 to 50 years back, 2-3 families are going to festival, going to any temple, they are dropping the some color cement or color powder to recognize the easily one by one. Got it? అంటే మన చుట్టాల వెహికల్ ఇలా వెళ్తుంది అని దే కెన్ రికగ్నైజ్ కలర్స్. మీకు ఐడియా ఉందమ్మా దట్? అంటే మీరు 40 years బ్యాక్ లేరు కదా, నేను కూడా లేనమ్మా అది. ఓకే, నో ప్రాబ్లం. నెక్స్ట్, యు లైక్ ద ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఆర్ నాట్?
వైట్ కలరా సార్?
వెహికల్ చిన్నప్పుడు 40 years బ్యాక్ అలా, అంటే నాకు కూడా తెలియదు, మనము విలేజ్ నుంచి ఒక టెంపుల్ కి ఒక 100 kilometers రోడ్ల అవగాహన లేకపోతే మన ముగ్గు ఉంటది కదమ్మా, ముగ్గు ఇంటి ముందు వేసేది, లేకపోతే గోధుమ పిండిలో రెడ్ కలర్ అను పసుపు కలర్ కలిపి వెళ్ళేటప్పుడు వెనక చల్లుకుంటూ వెళ్తారు. దట్ మీన్స్ they should follow our vehicle with the color of this as visual.
Old movies they show, right, for kidnapping the villain.
Okay, check the adi Alibaba 40 దొంగల cinema, just watch it if you have the time. Okay, next, go to manage values, click to create a button. Is there any change here?
No change.
Company department.
Allow posting.
Allow budgeting.
Account type. Allow posting.
Account type.
Account
Third-party
type.
conditions. Third-party condition.
Right. Why system given the only additional qualifiers for this one? Why system is giving the other than allow budgeting posting?
Because under labels we have given natural accounts.
Excellent, Amma. We treated accounts as a natural account. That means each account should record as each value number should record as a account type. Okay, let me give the number. 1001. Note down rent. Rent is account type, expenditure. It is spent for our company expenses. Third party control. You can keep no, reconcile, keep no as of now. Financial category also keep no, make it.
As per our theory, 10,000 is related to assets only.
Yes.
501.
Good. I am thinking anybody can recognize it or not. Okay, right. 10,001 taken. Computer. Then take the set. Add the this one. 11,000. Machinery means, you know, right, some fact related machineries. Set. Then take the 11,000 as a cash. So minimum one value should define that we can call capital accounts. If you want to build the GL, minimum we need to have the one value. Bank loan we can call liability.
Sir, cash terms and the liability.
Hello, sir.
Liability na.
Sir,
You paid the amount to me. Is it liability to you? Narasimha is a liability to you? Did you pay the fees to me? Who asked that question?
Sir, in real time, if we have so many of accounts, as you said, this spreadsheet, how can we import?
We will discuss one day. Sales means we are selling the product, getting the revenue. These values will given by client and you no need to take the any tension. How many values we can expect in the real? Thousands and we can expect thousands. Here?
Sir, hello, budget assist.
So go on to save it. Okay. Any doubts on this part?
Sir, under account type, there are some other types also there, apart from these five.
Yeah. That we will discuss one day. Budget credit, budgetary. That two are additional as extensive one day, not original.
So all these account types are predefined, sir?
Predefined account types. Good, very good question. That is predefined account types.
So is there an interview question here?
Capital is the capital account type is honored quick.
Yeah, owners means owner invested the amount for company startup establishment amount. Okay.
But if it is a bank, the capital account will be the same.
No. That is different. We will go for capital account from bank loans or something. You can go for liability or ownership.
Yes, sir.
Sir, where we can see these manage values, sir, after submitting?
నిజం సార్. ఇప్పుడు ఇందాక ఒక పాయింట్ రేస్ చేస్తే ప్రీ డిఫైన్డ్ అకౌంట్ టైప్స్ అన్నారు కదా సార్. అది ఒక్కసారి చెప్తారు సార్ రాసుకుంటా.
See, Oracle, not Oracle amma. Even ERP system saying use the account types as a seeded.
Okay.
Asset, expense, liability, ownership, revenues. That you need to decide and save it. Any doubts, Steve?
Sir, Narasimha sir, small doubt.
Yeah, please.
Sir, ఇప్పుడు అసెట్స్ అంటే జనరల్ గా లాంగ్ టర్మ్ అసెట్స్, షార్ట్ టర్మ్ అసెట్స్ ఉంటాయి.
That we will discuss one day, and parent value, child values, that we will discuss one day. Okay.
Sir,
Now I given the just layer part.
Sir, what? Sir,
Sir, you said, you real time we will see thousands of entries, right? How to recognize those? I mean, do we have any documentation of it?
They will recognize, yeah, based on your job, you will recognize. Why you are recognizing Chiranjeevi since your birth? Why you are recognizing Pawan Kalyan since your schooling? Why you are recognizing Chandrababu since your school? Understand this one and you will recognize. See, your job always recognize and simple. They will, okay. Real time, Avinash, client will give the Excel sheet. Client will give the Excel sheet number, Excel sheet that includes numbering, that includes description, that includes yellow budgeting, posting yes or no, that includes account type. Just take it, upload the spreadsheet. That's it. Okay. 100% they will give the Excel sheet and you never enter manual creation. But institute training, I am showing you how to create manual. Okay.
Sir, is it statement of work?
Yeah, it's our job, Amma. As a GL consultant, we need to collect it, we need to upload it.
Sir, in your experience, any changes is there for values, sir? Client will change these values.
Every time client will decide and change the value numbers. Amma. We don't keep the anything as per our mindset. We will explain them. They will come back with their open-minded, with their expectation. We will consider and upload it. That's it.
What are the values are there? That right side account beside of account type.
Sure. 1 minute. This we will discuss. Third party control, reconcile, financial category. When we are implementing for subledgers, AP, AR, FA, that time these three segment segment value qualifiers I will explain. Okay. Then save and close. Then next one. Products. Right. Go here, define the values for product. Minimum one value number. Define one dummy value, default. Sometimes client will say, without product, I want to enter some data. Can I use the value? Then you can use cement. So company we never have the default value. Department also I need to have the one default value. Note. Clear? So now client will say how many products they would like to use that will be treated as a segment. They will give the cement bricks, cement sheets, cement pipes, cement ready mix. We can go and define. Right? Next one.
Location.
Bhavya. Locations. What is the size I given if you remember? I remember 4 I given.
4 sir, 4 only.
Yes.
4.
Amaravati Vaddamma. Let's go for Vijayawada. Right? You can give the locations. Okay. Last one.
Future.
I already created location. Future.
In future, we can created value set as only default, right, sir?
Only one dummy value. Clear? So if somebody having the any doubt while practice, query my value set, take the screenshot, do the as it is while practicing. Same instance, right?
So why we use the dummy set, sir?
Future having the birth but doesn't have the nature. So we will keep one dummy record for future. Clear? Departments also I need to have the one dummy value. I forgot to do. Sorry for that.
So suppose in future if we have 2 to 3 departments are coming, so the dummy value can allow us to enter.
No, dummy value will keep dummy lifelong. You can use the other number.
సార్ ఇప్పుడు అసెట్స్ కి వాటికి కూడా అవసరమేనా సార్ డమ్మీ వాల్యూ?
Suppose we will not have the dummy value. Company will not have the dummy value. Means default value, sample value.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Any doubts? I am going to stop the section.
Sir, can you show the future ones?
Sure.
Sir, why we have dummy values?
See what Oracle saying. Sometimes without department, without location, we may spend or we may do some transaction. Instead of the booking the other department, we will be we keep the default value for some sample or some transactions.
Okay. Sir, will you share the Excel sheets in a group?
Every day I am sharing here. Are you not getting?
No, sir. I mean R13 not getting.
R13 now.
Not R13. Sorry.
Huh?
Sir, 03 inquiry.
Sir, can you share that deployment, sir? Deployment screenshots.
I am telling that is the reason. If you need the Excel sheet, you need to register in the R14.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Sir, can you explain once that, sir, deployment, sir?
Simple, amma. Deployment means validation. Whether your setup's properly configured or not, it will go and validate the data. Click the deployment, that will be validate the data and shows your structure is successfully completed or not. Clear? I don't do now. It will take time, amma.
Okay.
Narasimha sir,
Yep.
what are the locations you given? Hyderabad, Vijayawada, and
As you mentioned, location.
Karimnagar.
Code.
Karimnagar.
sir.
Right.
Hello, sir. Sir, can you explain yesterday's managed structure instance? Actually, I was not there.
Structure instance.
Yes.
I thought to explain first topic structure instance and today, but I missed it. Sorry for that. Okay.
Because yesterday I was there.
Yeah. Sorry. I is supposed to explain. Okay. So, I will tell you one logic, simple logic. See, I am implementing for Bhavya, India, Bhavya, Sri Lanka. Simple and narrow identification is Bhavya, Nepal. 3 countries I am implementing. 3 countries, same nature of business, like Dell Computer or some. Right now, I created a sort of account structure as a company, departments, accounts, locations, products, right? Location, products, locations. Now, 3 people, we use the value sets as well. 1 minute. Very good question, inter question. Yesterday we got the same question. What is the structure? Structure instance. EBS team also try to understand that logic. We defined value sets. Now, when I create a structure instance, same value sets are appeared. Did you observe?
Yes, the same value.
Yeah. Now, then I can use this one structure instance. Via COA structure instance. I can use this structure instance for 3 countries, like India, Nepal, Sri Lanka. They can use this structure instance as it is. You understood, right? This one. Now, Fusion client requested me, Narasimha, location value set Sri Lanka, I want to differentiate. Location value set I given the 4 here, but Sri Lanka people, second example, first example as it is, second example, Sri Lanka people, they don't want to use this value set, they want to use separate value set. Sri Lanka country team would like to use new value set instead of COA level value set. In EBS, we try to create 2 structures. Same example, in EBS, you need to create 2 COAs, COA1, COA2 for Sri Lanka. 2 setups we need to do. But in Fusion, simply create a new value set for location, create a structure instance instead of COA structure. That is the simplified in the business. In EBS, same logic. I need to create 2 chart of account structures. One is for Nepal, India. One is for Sri Lanka. Here, one chart of account I can use 2 structure instances I can create. I can use one COA global, but structure instances I can create COA structure instance 1, COA structure instance for Sri Lanka. So this type of requirements will satisfied by Oracle application in the future. Clear?
అంటే వాల్యూ సెట్స్ మాత్రమే మార్చుకోవడం అంతేగా సార్?
Sorry?
అంటే వాల్యూ సెట్స్ మాత్రమే మార్చుకోవడమే సార్? స్ట్రక్చర్ ఇన్స్టెన్స్ 1 కి ఇన్స్టెన్స్ ప్లస్ అండ్ స్ట్రక్చర్ ఇన్స్టెన్స్.
1 minute. How many members understood this one?
Given structure instance 1, right?
Sir, can you show in the system?
Yeah, can you show in application, sir?
I will show you tomorrow.
Okay. After that, we can understand, sir.
Yes, 99% students may not understand. Okay. Once you started the okay. See, here 5 segments are there, 5 value sets are there. One structure can use for 3 countries implementation here. Now, remaining
Voice breaking.
Sir, your voice is breaking.
value sets I want to use as it.
Your voice is breaking.
వాయిస్ బ్రేకింగ్ తీవ్రంగా ఉన్నది.
Otherwise, let us discuss tomorrow. Let us discuss.
Sir, okay, tomorrow we will discuss.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.